Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to thank all those people who like my previous videos and subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed as of yet, you can just go down and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. So for today's video, my topic is the top 5 movie remakes which were better than the original. Now, I think this is a wrong belief of the people that whenever a film is remade, the remake is always inferior to the original work. But there are actually quite a lot of movie remakes which are way better than the originals. So this is the list. Number 1 is The Departed. So I decided to start my list with the only movie remake to win the Best Picture Oscar till date. It is a remake of the film Internal Affairs. And while both the movies share the same story, it's a story about two people, one cop and one criminal, who who pretend to be the other in order to gain inside access for their own benefit. So it's a brilliant, thrilling film. And although, as I said, that The Internal Affairs is a great thriller film, The Departed is one of the best Hollywood films of all time, and that's partly due to Martin Scorsese's Oscar-winning direction and also the amazing performance from the cast, Leonardo DiCaprio, Matt Damon, and of course Jack Nicholson. Number 2 on my list is The Fly, one of my all-time favorite science fiction films. The original Fly starred Vincent Price in the lead role, and while the remake had Jeff Goldblum. And while both the films have the exact same story, a scientist, due to an experiment gone wrong, turns into a half human and half insect creature. And I think while the original film is brilliant, mostly because it stars Vincent Price, like one of the greatest film personalities of all time, but the remake is even better because it's much more darker, grittier. It's also much more, it's a much more humane portrayal of the character. And Jeff Goldblum is one of my all-time favorite actors, and he's brilliant in this film. Number 3 on my list is Cape Fear, another Martin Scorsese movie on this list. The original Cape Fear starred Gregory Peck and Robert Mitchum, while the remake stars Robert De Niro and Nick Nolte in the lead roles. So while I know all the films have the same story, and convict, escapes from prison and decides to take revenge on the lawyer who due to whose fault he was sent to prison. But I think the remake is far, far superior, and that's, I think, due to Robert De Niro's acting. Now, Robert Mitchum was a great actor in the original film. He was brilliant. I'm a huge fan of his. I even watched The Night of the Hunter. It's one of the best films ever made. But I think the way Robert De Niro portrayed the character of the psychopath in Cape Fear, Max Cady, it's just so haunting. And at the same time, like you're scared of the character, and at the same time you actually root for the character because you feel like that he's right. At some point, he is actually right. He should get revenge. The next film on my list is Scarface. I think this is the only film on my list which some people sometimes tend to forget that it's even a remake, because the original one, while a classic with Paul Muni in the lead role and Howard Hawks behind the camera, the remake stars Al Pacino in one of his most memorable performances till date. The film is a typical rags to riches story with a gangster twist added to it. And while, as I said before, the original film was also really good, Howard Hawks did a great job, but the remake, directed by Brian De Palma, is just amazing. It's one of the best gangster films of all time. It's even compared with The Godfather and Goodfellas. And finally, the last film on my list, number 5, is, I think, the most controversial pick on the list till now, and that's True Grit. Now, this is, as I said, it's a very hard to argue which True Grit is better, because the original True Grit starred John Wayne in the lead role, and the remake starred Jeff Bridges. The remake was directed by the Coen brothers, one of my all-time favorite filmmakers. Both the films tell the same story of a young girl who decides to get revenge from her father's killer, and so she takes the help of this alcoholic Marshall, which was played by John Wayne and Jeff Bridges respectively. And while the original True Grit was sort of a classic old cowboy film, the remake was much more better due to, it had a much more artistic and cinematic brilliance, mostly due to the Coen brothers' amazing direction, and plus also amazing acting from Haley Steinfeld, Matt Damon, Josh Brolin. I think the remake had a much stronger cast, the supporting cast, than the original. And finally, I think the most controversial statement which I'm going to make is that I think that Jeff Bridges was better than John Wayne in his performance of the alcoholic Marshall Rooster Cogburn. Even though John Wayne won an Oscar for his performance, Jeff Bridges only got nominated. I think that Jeff Bridges was much more realistic in playing, this alcoholic, wasted sort of a Marshall. Anyways guys, that was my list. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. You can also write down your thoughts in the comment section below. So thank you, bye bye, and I'll meet you next week.